Hello, this is a video tour of number 41 Weather Oaks. The house was built by Spitfire and is a mid-terrace, 3-bedroom property located within a small new build development. The house does have 2 parking bays outside the front, and there is a paved pathway leading to the open canopy and the main entrance door. There is a small floor garden area with box hedge and lawn. In the hallway there are ceiling light points, a radiator, wood effect flooring. At the end of the hallway you'll notice that there is an internal window overlooking the dining area of the kitchen. On the right there are stairs leading to the first floor accommodation. Immediately ahead the door does provide access to a storage cupboard with coat hooks, and there is also access to the ground floor WC from the hallway. In the room there are automated ceiling spotlights, a radiator, tiled flooring, a low-level flush WC on the right. There is a wall-mounted hand basin on the left with a mixer tap over. There is also a small obscure window allowing natural daylight in from the front of the property. The kitchen is located from the hall and does comprise of a kitchen area at the front of the house open to a dining area. In the kitchen there is a window overlooking the foregarden, a range of spotlights and a fully fitted kitchen comprising a range of wall and base units. There is an inset 1-bowl sink with an integral drainer unit into the work surface with a mixer tap over. The boiler is concealed in the cupboard. Ahead you'll notice it's a Worcester Bosch. There is also Smeg integrated appliances including a hob, cooker hood over, integrated washing machine. There is an integrated dishwasher ahead. There are also integrated ovens, both Smeg, and there is a fridge freezer to the right of that. From the kitchen there is access into the dining area where there is a ceiling light point, spotlight. Again, you'll have the view from here into the entrance hall. And there is a radiator, an additional floor to ceiling length window overlooking the living area and a door into the living room. Now the sizes of this room and all rooms are available on our sales particulars. The living room is a good size and does provide bifold doors access into the rear garden. A nice feature in the room is that there are 2 skylights, which does allow a lot more daylight into the space. In the room there is a radiator, the internal window with views over the kitchen, and ahead is a large understair storage cupboard. The first floor is accessed from the entrance hall with a staircase leading up to the first floor landing where there are ceiling spotlights, a radiator. You do have a feature balustrade with black spindles, and from the landing there are doors to bedrooms 1, 2 and the bathroom. Bedroom 1 is located at the front of the property. The house is dual aspect, offering views over the front of the house. There is a ceiling light point, 2 radiators, and there are also built-in mirrored wardrobes with sliding doors. Bedroom number 2 is also a good size and located at the rear. In here there is a window with views over the rear garden. You will note that there is gated rear access. Behind is a shared pathway, and beyond that the land is also owned by the property up to where the trees are situated. In bedroom 2 there is a ceiling light point and a radiator. The family bathroom is a good size and does offer a low-level flush WC, a wall-mounted hand basin with a mixer tap over. There is also a ledge with a mirror above. On the left is a bath with a mixer tap over with a shower head attachment. You'll see you've got the tiled walls over and below. There is also a good sized shower cubicle with a glass sliding door, the same tiling as over the bath, with a shower. You've got the tray, and there is also a heated towel rail as well. The flooring in the room is tiled. The second floor does have a staircase leading from the first floor landing up, which I'll just show you. You'll notice that there is an enormous amount of head height up at the second floor landing, which is a great feature inside the house. When you get to the top of the landing, you do really appreciate the amount of space up here, and you'll see there's a light point, a radiator. The door at the top of the stairs provides access into a storage cupboard. You also have a door leading through into the largest of the bedrooms. Again, an amazing ceiling height in this room. There is a dormer window to the front of the house. There is also a skylight to the rear, and you can see a lot of sunshine coming in there at the moment. The room does offer a bed space. There is also room to have a dressing area to the left. This is the view out of the dormer window to the front. Another benefit the room does offer, there are built-in mirrored wardrobes with sliding doors, just located ahead. There is also an ensuite shower room. In the shower room there is a skylight. There are also a range of spotlights, a wall-mounted hand basin with a mixer tap over, a low-level flush WC. In the corner is a good-sized heated towel rail. There is also a shower cubicle in here with glass sliding doors, a wall-mounted shower, and you do have tile effect flooring. The rear garden can be accessed via the living room via bifold doors, which do lead out to a paved seating area. On the right hand side of the garden, you'll note that there is a pathway leading to gated access to the shared pathway. The owners have put in AstroTurf for low maintenance, and there is a small slate border to the left. Now that does conclude the video tour for the house. If you are interested in arranging a viewing, please call the office on the number provided, and we will look forward to seeing you soon.